it was pretty, but I was disappointed.
So we're gonna get the moon. This is part 3.
I've got to touch it. I've got to touch it.
Back to the car.
I've got to touch it.
It's a really nice place.
Mimi, we got to touch it.
I'm gonna get the moon.
Wait, hold on.
It's gonna be coming up. It's awesome. Get ready. That's the moon. It's actually bigger.
Got military trucks on the side.
Do you think that's out there, Daddy? That you hit against my short butt?
We're just walking back to the car now, so.
Don't put me on videotape talking about.
I'm not. I was way behind. I'm skipping. Sorry for shaking. I'm skipping.
Touch, and touch. I will touch. Why are you touching? Because the only way that you're touching 14.
Don't know what she's doing. Oh, taking pictures of flowers, of course. Typical Mimi. Taking pictures of flowers. This is going on YouTube just so you know. So yeah. Wrong door. Can't open that one.
You're gonna take pills though.
Booyah,
You're
booyah,
gonna take your nighttime pill and you're gonna take your morning pill.
booyah, booyah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to be a daredevil. Never mind, I can't be. Gotta go bye-bye. I was going to do a cartwheel in the street, but I said, I'm going to be a daredevil. Never mind, I gotta go bye-bye. Okay, so we're in the car. It's dark. And we are leaving this very pretty place that makes it look like we're rich and that we live in a really nice community, but
Listen,
it's just downtown college.
I'm gonna go home and settle down now. It's late.
This is the South Bend Riverwalk. And it's
That's not
awesome.
important,
Is
Maddie.
anybody acknowledging me?
Yeah, we are. Trying to finish up my video real quick.
I got the full moon right there.
I'm getting it right now. So, bye!